In OLT Web, navigate to the ONU page to access the ONU list. Choose the target ONU, and click Config to access the configuration. Select WAN service. Before configuring, ensure there are no conflicts between the existing local WAN and the one you want to configure. If you are uncertain about it, click Clear WAN to remove existing WAN configurations. As a demonstration, we will create two WANs, one in IPOE mode, and the other in PPPoE mode. Start by creating an IPOE mode WAN. Click Add. Fill in VLAN details. VLAN ID, 100. VLAN priority, 0. Choose mode, IPOE. Select service type, Internet. Choose IP protocol, IPv4. Enable IGMP, MLD proxy for multicast forwarding. Fill in multicast VLAN ID, 101. Use default MTU. For IPv4 configuration, select DHCP. Port binding can be selected based on the actual situation. Click Confirm. A pop-up notification in the upper right corner confirms the successful configuration. Next, create a PPPoE mode WAN. Click Add. Enable VLAN. VLAN ID, 200. VLAN priority, 0. Choose mode, PPPoE. Select service type, Internet. Choose IP protocol, IPv4. Enable IGMP, MLD proxy for multicast forwarding. Fill in multicast VLAN ID, 202. Use default MTU. For PPPoE configuration, enter the username test and password. Port binding can be selected based on the actual situation. Click Confirm. A pop-up notification in the upper right corner confirms the successful configuration.